welcome back or welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna be I'm gonna be showing you guys like all the fidgets that I have. And don't mind the background noises. I'll try not to mind it. But my sister's actually watching a movie and my room is actually like dark right now because the light doesn't work. We don't know what's wrong with it. So the first one is this putty. It's really stretchy. And it smells like blue raspberry, so it's scented blue raspberry. And each one, I'm pretty sure, comes with a little toy thing. Little thing that you can put in your putty. And mine is a mermaid. I just put it in there. And it makes your hands smell good. I'm gonna put it right there. There it is. And this was at Walmart for like $5 to $3. So that is really fun to play with. My next one are these little water stress balls, and each one is $1 plus taxes, so like $1 something. And you can collect 6. So this is a smiley face. Well, was a smiley face. This is a poop. This is a tomato, and this is a egg. And then there's another one that is a pig and something else. A pig and something else, which I don't remember. And I throw these on my roof, which they actually stick. And they're really sticky and they're really easy to clean. But yeah, I got all these things at Walmart, or I bought them off like online and stuff. So those are really fun to play with. And they actually can pop really easily. So I have stuff in here. This little first compartment has trash. But there is one DIY stress. It's just a squishy. So I don't really like that. So we got this, like, I always say these are tangles, but they're not tangles. They're like animal tangles. Tangles are just regular tangles. Noodles. And these are also $1 at Walmart. And the toys aisle, all this stuff is actually on the toy aisle. And it's a little kitty. So there's that one. I made this. It's not a DIY. It was something that gummies were in, and then like I made them into like Stimple Dimple or Pop It. So you just like push it one way and push it the other. So, but that's really loud. The next is what I got for Valentine's Day. They're like this kinetic stuff. It's like kinetic sand, but like ball things. I can never open it. Like, I can't open it. Next thing is a mouse. Again, these are the same things that this cat is, but this one is a unicorn. And this is a dog. And I don't remember how many, but like, this is one of my favorites. It's like a little worm. And like, look how it stretches. I like this one. They're really fun to stretch. So this is also another DIY stress ball thing. It's just a balloon filled with flour. And I bought 2 things of balloons for like $1 each, which was really good. What?
What are you doing?
Recording a video. Why?
Okay.
Stop. What? Go watch your movie.
That.
Go. Yes, I will. Go watch your movie.
You want to watch The Great Showman?
Yeah.
Or
No.
Power Rangers?
Huh?
Power Rangers first?
No.
Okay. Or Great Showman first?
Yeah. Just watch the movie until I'm done.
Okay.
So this is a like stress ball thing that is made of flour and a bubble. But you gotta be quiet. Now that is one of my favorites. I got a little mini. Can you turn it down, please? Squishy. It's okay. Now, this is a DIY bike chain thing. I know it's not a real bike chain, but what my school does is we do shoe tokens, and I asked for one of these, like, ring things, and I put the shoe tokens on, and you can put them through like this. You're not even looking. Can't even see it. And I got 2 orange, 2 red, and 1 blue. And you just put them through. It's actually really satisfying. You can play with them. Yeah, that's also one of my favorites. And then another squishy that I really don't like. Something that I got at school that you just do this and then you fling it up and see how high you can do it. That's really fun to play with. But this is not a fidget. The wheels are, but this is not a fidget. I don't know why I put that in there. And then a ASMR thing. This is what came with it. This is my favorite. This was like $10. What is this? I don't even know. Crunchy, crunchy. But yeah. Not a huge fan. Whatever I really don't like, I'll probably just sell as my mom sell on her like market thing. This is also another one of the things that that the gummies were in, so also extremely loud. Almost done. My tooth. This was like supposed to be like a DIY. I don't know. Like move the strings. I don't know what it was, but they were falling off. So my tooth hurts. Okay, that's all of it. And then my next one is this Neato. I could only find a purple one. So this was like $3 at Walmart. Yeah. I didn't get this squishy at Walmart. I got it at like Five Below. Everything else but this I got at Walmart and the squishy. So yeah, this is my Neato. Got at Walmart. I like looked under the shelves like a crazy person that like, what are you trying to, what? I don't know. I saved the best for last. Puppets. I got 2 of them for $8, so that means that if you can do math, which most everyone can, I mean, easy math. These were $4 each, and I wonder if you can get them cheaper somewhere else. I got this off of Facebook Market thing, but not every time, because people do try to scam other people. But this got shipped from like a business thing, and there are businesses on like Facebook Market. But it is really fun to play with. But yeah, those are all like my fidgets that I have right now. I also have DIY fidgets, colorful fidgets. I do have a rainbow. I definitely do. But it's trying to pack them all up. So I just like put, how to do it is, oh, I still got some shoe tokens. Yeah, these things are called shoe tokens. This was in my backpack, so I'm gonna put that in first. Like my backpack right here for school. And then I just try to like, I got some small stuff. But once I get more fidgets and stuff, I'm gonna get a bin to put them in. Probably put them in my closet, make room. And then I fit everything. There we go, I fit everything. Can't forget these shoe tokens. I love these. These are like so much fun. Yep, time to go to school with my new fidgets. Okay, guys, if you liked that video, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. It's really dark.